Okay, are you ready for this? It's time to take your exam. I wanted to give you a few things that you should remember while taking your exam. 1, breathe. It's going to be okay. If you have been doing everything you needed to do, you've been putting your time in, you've been working through those problems that you still are struggling with, you've been using those other strategies, you are going to do great. Don't focus on the grade. Focus on showing me what you know, right? That's what's important, is you need to show that you have learned the information. So breathe. Take some few deep breaths. No, seriously, like this is increasing your oxygen to the brain. This is important, really important. People don't put enough emphasis on this. 2, you need to sleep and eat before you go in. In other words, don't stay up all night studying. This is a terrible strategy and will not do you any good. You need to be fresh. So try and get your best night's sleep and eat some food before you go in, whether it's hopefully a snack, maybe some protein, make it worthwhile, not a bag of Fritos on your way in, okay? Yeah, I saw that. So try and get something good to eat so that you are in your best mental state so that you can show us what you know. Step 3, do the easiest problems first. You are allowed to jump around on your test. So look for the ones that are the easiest. These might be at the beginning, they might not be. Don't let yourself panic when you hit a problem that feels difficult. You find yourself starting to have those negative self-talk. I knew you couldn't do this. No, get rid of that. Skip the harder problems, do the easier ones first. This is a well-known test-taking strategy. Don't forget about it on the day of your exam. Number 4, show your work. I cannot stress this enough. Show your work, number it, make sure it's nice and neat. We want to be able to reference your work and give you partial credit if you maybe got everything right until the very last step. So make sure your work is neat and organized. It's numbered so that I don't have to hunt for it. It can be very quick. My last strategy is one that you can do when you come to a more difficult problem. And this is one that I like to use quite often. If you take a harder problem, like let's say you're up against a word problem that has fractions, and you just see the fractions and all of a sudden you're getting heart palpitations, you're sweating, you're breathing heavy, the world feels like it's ending. Okay, stop and take out the fractions and put whole numbers in. So we're going to make an easier problem. An easier problem that mirrors exactly what you're doing. Solve the problem with your whole numbers in it, and then go back, and once you know your process, then you can put your fractions back into it. This is a really great strategy that works if you feel like you're getting overwhelmed with something like that, like fractions in a word problem. That's a good example. You're going to do awesome on your exam. Just remember your strategies, breathe, and good luck.